If I had to sum up our plans for 2021 in 2 words, I would say they are thoughtful and they're evolutionary. And that's because we've spent all of 2020 listening to our clients, observing the salon marketplace, and developing new products and current product attributes that will not only deliver the same great quality content that our audience has come to expect from us, but provide further engagement for our advertisers and even more ROI than ever before. Nothing beats the tangibility of print or that last mile experience of putting your message into an audience member's home or business. And that's why we're continuing print in 2021, but we're doing it in one of the most evolutionary manners we ever have. Our print product in 2021 will be the biggest change to our portfolio. We are literally flipping the script and creating a product that the audience members will have to flip or rotate to consume different types of information. We're doing this because our theme for 2021 is breaking down informational barriers. We believe in empowering people who are stylists and technicians to take that next step in their career. So those who aspire to be managers, leaders, and business owners will no longer have to maintain 2 separate subscriptions to Modern Salon for their fashion and technique information, or Salon Today for their management and business information. People will now receive both of these magazines combined into one quarterly publication that will truly make us the deliverer of the industry Bible. One of the things that our advertisers told us is that they want print to be an experience. That's why every issue of our magazine in 2021 will be polybagged. So when it arrives at a recipient's home or office, it creates an unveiling opportunity, not just for our content, but for our advertisers' messages as well. And it further reduces the number of hands that have touched each publication before arriving at the recipient's address, creating a more sanitary condition as well. Further adding to that experience with the print magazine are the multimedia facets that we're putting behind the scenes. So every publication that arrives at the recipient's doorstep will have a QR code on both sides of the magazine. And when recipients scan those QR codes, they'll be taken to a landing page with bonus multimedia content, not only just from our own editorial staff, but from our platinum sponsors and gold sponsors as well, creating that multimedia, immersive, multi-touchpoint experience. We also realize the value of being able to conduct market research amongst our audience members, which is why we are making it easier than ever before, and we've partnered with a third-party research organization to create packages that include both quantitative and qualitative offerings, and we'll work with your organization from project development all the way through report delivery. We're also very cognizant of the role that we play as a media brand in thought leadership throughout the industry, which is why we put together a series of pre-planned industry research studies that we will be conducting and reporting on throughout the year. All of these are available for underwriting by our clients. Modern Salon Experience is one of our most exciting launches for 2021 because it allows us to deliver content from our own editorial staff as well as our marketing partners in a creative and engaging way. By partnering with a renowned interior design firm, we were able to create a virtual salon environment where people will engage with different touch points and consume information in a multimedia format. So if you are an educational thought leader, you might want to have your content in the classroom within the virtual salon. If you have a beautiful photography collection, you may want to feature it in the studio. If you have a retail product, you should have that featured in our retail and reception area. We'll be driving people to the Modern Salon Experience through a series of e-promos, social media posts, articles, and the website on the magazine, and really getting people excited about the constantly changing information that they can receive within the Modern Salon Experience each month. One of the other things that we continue to hear about from our advertisers was the importance of mentorship within the salon industry. And it goes without saying that people who are mentored are more likely to stay within the industry. That's what launched the idea for the Modern Salon Runway. During this exciting aeronautical-themed 2-day event, salon industry mentors will have an opportunity to bring the, quote, rising stars within their salon environments and really immerse themselves in a workshop that not only covers finance, retail, client retention, but also has fashion technique and culminates each day with these runway shows. The opportunity for our sponsors is that for 2 days they have a captive audience of people with both current buying power as well as future buying power, presenting a really unique opportunity to build long-term brand affinity. We've crafted these sponsorship opportunities for Modern Runway so that if you are a technology company, you can put on one of the more left-brain cerebral educational sessions on something like client retention or increasing sales. But if you are a color company, you can put on a fashion show, runway technique opportunity. Whatever your place within the salon industry is, we've created a sponsorship opportunity for you for this event. And finally, one of the other things we kept hearing is the need for hosted buyer events. So we also have a sponsorship opportunity with Modern Runway where you can sponsor one of these salon mentors and their proteges. And for the entire 2 days, you are able to sit with these people, build rapport, and also have some VIP experiences closer to the fashion show runways, goodie bags, things like that. So it's a really nice opportunity to build a connection with people who could be very good buyers in the future. Members of Modern Salon's Artist Connective mean a lot to us. These are people who we've handpicked and invited to create content for our clients. We want to show them love by launching this new e-newsletter in 2021 that will give them tips on photography, increasing their social following, and how to get in front of brands like our clients so that they can further their careers. Overall, I'm just super excited about all the great things that we have planned for next year, from the improvements we've made to our existing products to all the great new things we're launching. We pride ourselves on continuing to have more audience touch points than any other salon media brand out there, and we really look forward to providing the return on investment that our clients deserve. All of the information that our marketing partners need on our 2021 initiatives, including product enhancements and product launches, can be found in our beautiful new media kit. We've spent several months working on it. It's informative, it's intuitive, and we're really excited to share it with our clientele.